You wake up one day in your late 30s, 40s, or 50s, and it hits you. Time went faster than you thought. You look at your life and whisper, I thought I'd be further by now. If that's you, I want you to listen closely, because you are not too late. Your second life can start right now. There's a moment most people never talk about. It's not loud. It's not dramatic. It's the quiet panic of realizing that your life isn't what you imagined, and you don't know if you still have time to fix it. You look back at your 20s and 30s and think about the wasted years, the wrong relationships, the missed chances, the fear, the playing small. You wonder, is this it? Did I miss my shot? I know that feeling, but here's what most people don't realize. Your life doesn't end at 35, 40, or 50. It actually begins there. Why? Because for the first time, you're no longer a child trying to impress others. You're no longer pretending. You finally know who you are. And that clarity is power. Society lies to us. It tells you that if you haven't made it by 30, you've failed. That's nonsense. Oprah was 36 when she launched her show. Morgan Freeman was 52 before his breakout role. Ray Kroc was 53 when he started McDonald's. Colonel Sanders was 62 when KFC took off. They weren't late, they were ready. The same is true for you. Your timeline is not broken, you're just comparing your life to someone else's chapter. The only competition you have is with the person you were yesterday. There is a moment where everything changes. It's when you stop asking, is it too late? And start asking, what can I do today that my future self will thank me for? Your life doesn't change from wishing, it changes from identity. You're not stuck because you lack motivation, you're stuck because you still identify as the older version of yourself. The version who doubts, the version who fears, the version who waits. Your second life begins the moment you decide to become the person you were meant to be, not the one life conditioned you to be. Step 1. Let go of the old story. Stop repeating the narrative that you're late, unlucky, or behind. That story is not your identity. It's just your past. Step 2. Focus on the next 12 months, not the next 12 years. Reinvention doesn't happen in decades. It happens year by year, habit by habit. Step 3. Build one identity habit. Wake up each day and do one thing your future self would be proud of, even if it's small. One workout, 1 hour of learning, one step toward the life you want. Small steps compound. Momentum beats perfection. Step 4. Create a no more list, not goals, boundaries. What will you no longer tolerate from yourself? Procrastination, toxic people, excuses? Say it, write it, own it. Because your life changes the moment your standards do. Here's the truth. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience, wiser, tougher, more aware, and that makes you dangerous, in the best way. Life is not giving up on you. Time has not abandoned you. You are not done. You are becoming. So listen to me. Your second life is waiting. Not in the past you regret, and not in the future you fear, but in the decision you make today. Don't just watch another video. Subscribe right now and start the work. Your future will thank you.